Hi, I am Balasubramanian. In this video, we are going to see 8th Standard Biology, Chapter 10 Food Production. In this lesson, particularly, we are going to learn about agriculture, crops on the basis of growing season, crops on the basis of lifespan. Okay, what is agriculture? Agriculture is a science and art of cultivating plants and livestock, like cultivation of plants, producing food and cash crops, okay, and domestication of animals, fisheries, and horticulture. So all are included in agriculture. If no agri, no life, because everything we are getting through the agriculture. Okay, right. See, it is a prime factor of India's growth and provides employment to large number of peoples. Okay, most of the peoples believing agriculture. Okay, see, through the agriculture we can get food and also we can earn money. Okay, right. See, agriculture is not only important for growing food. Okay, it's not only giving food for us. It also gives fuels, fibers, and other raw materials like wool, silk, resins, biofuels, and bamboos. Okay, right. Next, crop. What is crop? When the same kind of plants are grown in the fields on large scale to obtain foods like cereals, vegetables, and fruits are called crop. Okay. See, most of all these kind of crops grows in very large scale of land. Okay, right. Why? To obtain foods in the form of cereals, vegetables, and fruits. Okay, right. Here we have some examples. Cereals: wheat, paddy, maize, millet, barley. Pulses: gram, peas, beans. These pulses contains protein sources. Okay, right. Then oil seeds: mustard, groundnut, sunflower. These all contain fat. Okay. Vegetables: tomato, cabbage, spinach. It contains vitamins and minerals. Okay. And finally, fruits. What are they? Banana, grapes, mango, orange. It contains vitamins, minerals, and sugar. Okay, right. Next, crops on the base of growing season. The crops divided into two types. One is a kharif crops and a rabi crops. Okay, right. First one, kharif crops. What does mean by kharif crops? Usually, these kind of plants grown in rainy season. Okay, right. The crops which are grown in the rainy season are called kharif crops. Okay, right. Usually, these kind of crops seeds sowing in June or July. Okay, at the beginning of southeast monsoon. Okay, right. Usually, these kind of crops harvested at the end of monsoon, uh, in the month of September or October. So within the 6 months, we can get yield from this crops. Okay, right. Example: paddy, maize, soya beans, groundnut, and cotton. Okay, so these are all the examples for kharif crops. Okay, see, what is kharif crops? Kharif crops nothing but crops which are grown in the rainy season. Very important, rainy season. Okay, right. See, kharif crops also called summer crops or monsoon crops, because these kind of crops need plenty of water, considerable amount of water. Okay, right. Next, rabi crops. What is mean by rabi crops? Crops grown in the winter season are called a rabi crops. Okay, in which season? Winter season. Okay, right. Usually, sowing for the rabi crops begins at the beginning of winter, exactly October to November. Okay, and harvested in the month of March or April. Okay, usually they start to sowing during October to November, and they harvested during the month March or April. Okay, right. See, here we have some examples: wheat, gram, peas, potato, mustard, and linseed. Okay, right. Next, crops on the basis of their lifespan. First one, annual crops; second one, biennial crops; and third one, perennial crops. Okay, right. What is mean by annual crops? Annual crops are the ones which complete their life cycle in 1 year or in one growing season. So within the year, plants grow well and get mature. It's produce roots, stems, leaves, everything, and also flowers, fruit, seeds. Okay, within 1 year we can get yield from the crops. Okay, right. Examples: rice, millet, maize, cotton, and groundnut. So within 1 year we can get yield from the crops. Okay, this is what is called annual crops. Next, these are all the examples. Okay, millet, maize, groundnut, and the cotton. Okay, right. Next, biennial crops. What is meant by biennial crops? Biennial crops are those crops which complete their life cycle in 2 years or in two growing season. Okay, so it takes about 2 years. First year for growing. During the first year, it produce roots, stems, leaves, and begin the second year. Okay, when second year starts, it start to produce fruits, flowers, seeds. Okay, right. So first year it's growing, and second year start to give their products. Okay, and second year we can harvest. Okay, right. Examples: carrot, ginger, and cabbage. See, look at the picture. Carrots, very very important vegetables we need. Okay, it's very very important vegetables we have to consume. Okay, right. Ginger we can consume by adding cooking. Okay, right. Dishes. Cabbage, it's a very important vegetable, right? Okay, then perennial crops. What does mean by perennial crops? These kind of crops which takes about more than 2 years. Okay, right. Perennial crops are the crops that can be survived without replanting for several years. Okay, right. They produce food continuously many years. Okay, right. See, perennial fruit crops are less labor intensive and have a relatively long lifespan. No need to give a care. Okay, weekly ones or monthly ones, we can monitor this. Okay, right. No need to give a care daily. Okay, right. Examples: sugarcane and banana. Okay, right. Once we are harvesting, again start to regrow. We can get yield from again. Okay, right. Once you are getting yield, again we can get. Okay, next, say sugarcane. Look at the picture. Banana. Okay, right. Next, permanent crops. Okay, right. Any crops that survives and grows above the span of 3 years are called permanent crops. So these kind of crops grows long years. Okay, right. Several years. Example: mango, coconut. Okay, right. Example: look at the picture. Right. Coconut. Okay. I hope you all understood. Thank you.